I'm Tinny from minibulldesign, and today it's Saturday, and we're having our snowstorm, our blizzard of the century. Let's take a look outside first. I shot a little video of that. It's about 8 degrees out, and I think we got about 8 inches of snow so far, but it's still snowing and fairly windy. So let's look at that. Maybe 8 inches. Okay, I think you can see that's not exactly the storm of the century. It's not really all that bad. Very fine snow, about, like I said, about 8 inches, maybe 30-mile-an-hour winds. Windmill is doing just fine. It's locked out. So much for that. We haven't lost the electricity yet. So I decided to take the day off. It's Saturday. I think I'm going to take Saturday and Sunday off. They delivered my aluminum for the K-cabs, and Monday morning I think I'm going to build 5 of those. And Roger, I'll ship yours out Monday afternoon. And there's one other person who wants ones. I'll email them and let them know. Get that all underway. I think right now for last night there's like 6 orders on the books. I'll probably be swamped by Monday morning, but anyway. This Jewel Thief, I encapsulated it in a piece of sugar. It's a moldable rubber that comes in like a putty form and then dries to a fairly durable rubber. I encapsulated in that just I actually put all the electronics in the center of the coil and then put sugar around it. Now, I've been measuring, and I have 28 continuous hours of burn time on this. And let's get a look at it real close so you can see how bright it is. This is after it's had 28 hours put on this original battery. Okay, I think you can see this isn't a very bright LED to begin with. It's just a cheap Radio Shack LED. And you can see that it's probably burned as bright as it ever will. Now, this battery, when I originally started, this battery with my meter read 1.6 volts. It's been burning steadily for 28 hours, actually 14 hours last night and 14 hours the night before. And I just checked the battery this morning after 28 hours of burn, and it reads 1.5 instead of 1.6. So in 28 hours the battery's dropped a tenth of a volt. So I think we've pretty much proven that this is a very frugal circuit that works really well. The next thing I'm going to do is increase the light, which will make it burn for less time. But instead of having it burn for 24 hours a day for a week, it might burn for just 24 hours when I get done on one half-flat AA battery. I've ordered some much bigger LEDs, and I've ordered some new Toroids and magnet wire and stuff, and I'm going to goof around with them when they get here. But in the meantime, I'm kind of on simmer. Now, it's kind of cool that I have been, all of the work I've done here for light, I've used this light, which is running off of this gel cell, which is being charged by this 1 foot by 3 foot solar panel. And I've clocked a lot of hours with this light sitting here playing, and I haven't exhausted it yet, so I've got a pretty good setup there. I'm really happy with this light. Why do things like this, why do I do things like this? And for some reason, and I can't explain it, this solar light, I just think it's so cool. Every time I turn it on, I get a warm and fuzzy feeling because it's just so cool. Just like this. It's a cool little circuit, and I don't know, but I do know this. It's a very, very cheap way to play, and if things like this make you happy and they don't cost anything, I think you're a lucky guy. Versus a $6,000 snowmobile or something like that. I mean, I've got like $3 invested here, top end. And next time a CFC burns out, it's like, ooh, boy, more parts. That's just the way it works. I think that's maybe one of the secrets to life. I'm back here in the woods. I'm heating the house with wood, which is pretty easy to come by. I'm up here goofing around with very cheap, simple things. I can go on the internet and watch tutorial videos all day long. And if I really, really get bored, I'll go down and pop a DVD in and watch a movie. I get a big enjoyment out of just watching the news every night just to see what's going on in the world. So, I guess I've bent your ear long enough. I just wanted to document that this isn't exactly the storm of the century, at least not here in central Maine. I'll watch the news tonight and see how it was everywhere else. I'm Tinny from minibulldesign. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, try to have a really great day and try to enjoy your Saturday. Bye-bye. My boy, huh? How's my boy?